Hey guys, your girl here, Coach Tanisha. So, people saying they want to invest, they just don't know what to invest in, or they don't know how to invest, whatever. Okay, so here is a website which is free, Yahoo Finance. You can go on this website at any time and start researching different stocks, right? And I always tell people, where was the last place you shopped at? If you shopped at Walmart, Amazon, Nike, wherever, start with those stocks. But this stock right here is XLK, okay? And this is an ETF. So that means it has other stocks within the stock. So if you buy this one stock, you will have exposure to all of these other stocks: Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Broadcom, MU, AMD, Cisco, Intel, Applied Materials. And a lot of these are tech stocks, right? And we know we're in the tech boom right now. So if you want to start investing, where I have an app, you could join my financial literacy app, and then you can join SoFi. Okay, SoFi. Let me see if I can go to my app right here. Okay, this is my app where you guys can actually join, and you can go through the classroom and different classes that I have for you to be able to tap in, right, and understand how to start investing with literally just $5 a week. Now, $5 a week is not going to make or break you, right? But it can make you some money in the long term, okay? So here it is. Okay, here are all the lessons inside of my app right here. Okay, start investing with $5. I also have a government contract training in there as well. But start investing with $5. Also have an Amazon, how to make money on Amazon as well. So you can get exposure to Nvidia and all of these tech stocks that are booming right now and literally make money. You can download SoFi to give you $25. Plus, they give you a $75 referral fee. So everybody you refer to get $25, they will pay you $75. So if you know 10 people right now and you need to make a quick $750, you literally can make $750 literally right now, or you can make $750 a week just referring 10 new people to learn investing, right? People say, oh, the information is not out there. Well, here's the information right here. Literally, I show you step by step how to do this. And the name of my app is called The School of Money and Wealth. There's over like 100 people, maybe 200 people already in this app. And I'm teaching different strategies for free so that you guys can get yourself into building wealth for your family. One thing that we don't do is invest our money. We make more and we spend more, right? We don't invest more. We don't invest in real estate. We don't invest in businesses. We don't invest in the stock market. We don't invest in gold and silver, right? So these are the things that we need to be investing in, and you can start with $5 a week. Like, you can put it on autopilot every week. Let it come out your account, $5, $5, $5 a week. And then after 90 days, see how much money you got. Then go to $10, then go to $20, then go to $30. And this is how we literally start to build wealth, friends, for ourselves. Plus, I also have a budgeting checklist, right? Things that you need to do to start budgeting your money so that you could be more financially independent, guys. Financial freedom is our only hope. You can't keep looking rich and dying broke. Okay? It's your girl Tanisha, Coach Tanisha. Make sure you join the app, download the SoFi app. Make sure you start investing, guys, because time is